Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up server files and player data so nothing is lost. Once done, stop the server or fully quit the client to release the session. Next, clear cached launcher data or temp files to avoid stale tokens. You do this because Minecraft ties a session token to your active login. A fresh login forces a new session ID. Make sure to have your Mojang or Microsoft account credentials nearby so you can log back in immediately after cache removal. Now focus on clearing the specific authentication files. Open %appdata% on Windows or the launcher folder on Mac OS/Linux and remove launcher profiles. JSON or session token entries. Once removed, the launcher has no stored session ID. After that, use the launcher's logout option, then log in again. This triggers OAuth and issues a new session ID which the server recognizes. You do this to replace expired or revoked tokens. Subsequently, relaunch the game and connect to your server to confirm the new session is active. Finally, address server-side remnants. If the server complains about duplicate UIDs or stale sessions, remove or rename the affected player data file and restart the server so it regenerates clean data. Once the server is up, have the player log in. Their new session ID will sync and resolve most access problems. If the problem continues, double-check whitelist, ban lists, and server clock. These can block new sessions. One practical troubleshooting tip. Ask the player to use a different network or VPN to rule out IP-based session caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.